Right, okay, so this is, I don't know, is it part 3, part 4? Not quite sure, of my Hyperfire. I keep calling it a Hyperfire, don't I? Right, my Nerf Inifinus theoretical build. So, what for some reason I discovered was that it might have been the there's a thought to look at later. Right, when I had everything, the motors here running off, a 9-volt battery. I know it's what I had at the time. I wanted to prove that I could run split voltage, and that's the only battery I had at the time. And I don't currently have the money to try it with Lipo. Anyway, what I've got is flywheel motors are with a little extra wire because I'm planning on putting LEDs in there possibly. So that motor, flywheel motor, comes back to this motor bridge here. The motor bridge is what's running off the 9-volt into here. I've got a dodgy connection there still. I have, right, okay. Oh, I've got to sort something out with the connections there, that's not going to be good. So that's 9-volt into here, which produces 9 volts out here when you get a signal, when the signal pin goes high. Now, signal pin is actually running off what was the motor wire. These were the flywheel power cables, original flywheel power cables, which has common, which was the red wire, don't ask. So the common, which was in red, is connected to the common or earth from this board here. The 5-volt high is connected into the signal pin. When the signal pin goes high, circuit feeds through 9 volts through to here, which will run 12 volts, sorry, 9 volts through here. I tried it off 12 volts, these motors keep cutting out at 12 volts, really frustrating. I wonder whether I should take the motors out of the Hellfire here. Anyway, so that's that. While I did rewire the pusher motor with the intention of running that off of here, off the bridge as well, that didn't work. I'm not sure whether it's that this motor won't even run off 9 volts or whether the diddy little battery there didn't have enough power enough current to drive the 2 flywheels and the pusher. That's a distinct possibility, but either way I can't run it all off the one 9-volt, it's just not happening. So anyway, currently have the rest of this circuit still running off of 6 volts, which is actually double A's, although the way I've got it set up I can easily just stick the D cells back in, but they were heavy and stupid. It didn't seem to actually function desperately well, so there's that. So the whole of the rest of this circuitry, including the pusher motor, runs off the original 6 volts. None of this has been rewired, none of the switches have been replaced. The only thing I've done is to run the flywheels off a new wire to the motor bridge. End result being, so I've got magazine in, got darts in, it didn't kick out the magazine, well hey, right, yeah, it's a safety lock. the bypass mechanism. So flywheels, there we go, it's working. Now if I get Lipo replacement motors, I should be able to just swap that into here, replace this with Lipo. Where's that dodgy connection? Oh, I see. Right, okay. And we should be good to go. Now what I'm going to do is find out where all the screws went and get all this cabling back inside. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave the electronics bridge there. It's quite impressive though that this could actually all be, yeah, you could cut this whole front, you could cut that much out of the front of this, just snub nose it. And actually snub nose there, cut it off there, battery stock there, and you'd have a much more compact blaster, which would be great fun. But that's yeah, more than I'm planning on doing right now. Anyway, just to show you, it is possible to use a motor bridge and the existing switches and mechanisms to upgrade the voltage and power to the Hyperfire. Hyperfire again! Hyperfire! Inifinus. Thank you.